So I want to go back real quick for planning. I want to go back to Mrs. T and look at some goals. Okay, so back to Mrs. T. We met her last week. We talked about her in these lectures. We've identified the cues in this assessment and looked at them to form patterns. We decided that the nursing diagnosis we want to focus on right now is imbalanced nutrition. So we have a nursing diagnosis of imbalanced nutrition, less than body requirements related to inadequate energy for meal preparation, decreased appetite as evidenced by thin appearance, reports eating one very small meal daily, reports lack of appetite and lack of energy to prepare food. So diagnosis related to etiology as evidenced by supporting data. So let's look at our goals. So what would it look like? How are we going to decide if she has better nutrition? Okay, so because our overall goal, imbalanced nutrition, less than body requirements, is that she has better nutrition. So we could say, we could set a certain number of calories, a certain amount of protein, we can look at weight gain. What I really want to do is say she's going to consume at least this many calories a day to start with. Okay, so my long-term goal, patient will consume 1,500 kilocalories and 36 grams protein daily within 1 week. Okay, so is that a SMART goal? Is it specific? Is it measurable? Is it attainable? Realistic? Is it timed? It meets all those requirements. Okay, so within 1 week, I want her eating 1,500 calories a day. But she can't eat because she's too tired to prepare meals and she has a decreased appetite. So what am I going to do, or what are my goals for those problems? My short-term goals are going to be aimed here at my etiology. Okay, so patient will report access to 2 balanced meals daily and 3 snacks within 2 days. So within 2 days, I want her to have a way to have 2 balanced meals and 3 snacks a day. Notice it doesn't say she's going to cook them because she doesn't have the energy for that and we can't change that. And then patient will report feeling hungry at least daily within 3 days because she has a lack of appetite. So it's possible that her lack of appetite is just because of fatigue and maybe because she, if she's not eating, her body just is not used to eating, so she doesn't think about feeling hungry. So once we start feeding her, she might get hungrier. But we may find that this requires some more follow-up later. So now we have a nursing diagnosis and we have our goals.